This is the 2014 Lexus ES 350 with the executive package. My name is Thomas and welcome to Fish Creek Nissan. Underneath the hood of this Lexus is a 3.5-liter V6 engine that pumps out 268 horsepower and 248 pound-foot of torque. All of that power travels through a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission to the front wheels, which gives you 7.6 liters to the 100 kilometers highway and 11.2 liters to the 100 kilometers city. Currently, this Lexus has less than 63,000 kilometers on it. It comes with 4-wheel disc brakes that are slowing down 18-inch alloy rims with Michelin all-season tires. And you plus 4 of your friends can drive around in this Lexus while being cocooned in what Lexus has called the light almond leather interior. As for some of the notable features, it comes with a push start button, easy keyless entry, blind spot monitoring systems and emergency braking assist, power seats that also come with power lumbar support, and a memory system for the driver and passenger seat, a power steering column, as well as a power trunk opener. It also comes with a premium surround sound audio system, as well as a twin sunroof, one for the front and one for the back. It also comes with a display that will show you everything from your navigation to your audio options, and you can navigate through these options by using the toggle that is near the center console. This Lexus is also fitted with automatic dual climate control, as well as heated and cooled front seats. And last but not least, it also comes with 3 different driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. Those are all the highlights of this 2014 Lexus ES 350. If you like this video and enjoy what we do here at Fish Creek Nissan, feel free to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And if you want to take this bad boy for a test drive or want to know more information, feel free to visit our website, give us a call, or shoot us an email. All of our information is down in the description below. My name is Thomas, and thanks for watching.